Dog grooming is one essential part of owning a dog that cannot be overlooked. You can take your pet to a professional groomer, or you could enjoy the warmth and care that comes with giving your cocker the loving grooming he requires at home. Their essential grooming is simple to master and requires little equipment. The Cocker Spaniel dog breed proves challenging to groom. They find it difficult to accept the whizzing of electric clippers, the touchy-feely brushing, the snipping of scissors, the ear bothers, and the splish-splash at wash-up. Suppose they're not educated to tolerate it from an early age. Today on the channel, we'll be taking a look at grooming a Cocker Spaniel. Before we go further, we would love for you to subscribe to our channel and turn on post notifications. Grooming is a lot more than just keeping your dog clean or making your dog look wonderful. It has to do with both your dog's physical condition and appearance. Grooming helps to keep your dog healthy and happy and enables you to save money on veterinary expenses. To accomplish a good grooming session throughout your dog's lifetime, you must begin training your puppy to tolerate grooming while they're still a puppy. If you delay the grooming procedures for too long, your puppy may become resistant to it later, especially when nail clipping and ear cleaning. Undoubtedly, this is especially true for long-haired dogs, which require more intensive grooming sessions than short-haired canines. This does not mean that dogs with short, clipped fur shouldn't be groomed. Brushing as an act of grooming is essential for all dog breeds, as it helps to eliminate dead hair, dandruff, and filth. Brushing the dog's fur regularly also helps to bring out the natural oils in the fur. During brushing, natural oils are dispersed throughout your puppy's fur. This gives the coat a healthy gloss. Another advantage of grooming your dog is that it allows you to check for abnormalities such as fleas and dry patches on their skin. It is also a fantastic opportunity to look out for infections or inflammation in their eyes, ears, nails, and teeth. These disorders can be treated straight away if they're discovered before they become more serious. You can start grooming a puppy when it's as young as 3 weeks old. Some experienced breeders will even begin to groom their puppies before they travel to their new homes. That way, by the time their owners pick them up, they're already acclimated to it. Cocker Spaniels are known to shed all year round. As a result of this, they require a lot of brushing and combing regularly. A regular brushing routine is necessary to release matted hair and keep your canine buddy from getting tangled. The coat of the Cocker Spaniel is sleek, thick, and dense, with a lot of fluff around the belly and legs. They have a thick undercoat that helps them stay warm and dry in cold and damp temperatures. The hair on their heads is finer and shorter. Despite their fluffy ears, belly, chest, and legs, Cockers are incredibly agile, so their grooming can be challenging. The coat's smooth, even texture makes it simple to groom. If you're particular about a dog breed that requires less grooming, the Cocker Spaniel may not be the right choice for you. Before grooming your Cocker Spaniel, some fantastic tools can help you achieve an extraordinary grooming session. They include a steel comb or a collie brush. This is a wide-toothed comb used to pry out dense undercoating. In the place of a steel comb, a collie brush, called a collie comb, can be used as a dematting tool. Secondly, you'll need a detangling solution. This is a spray-on or smearable solution that relaxes your dog's hair to make brushing and dematting simpler. Your local veterinarian may offer you a solution that genuinely works for your dog. If you're going with the option of using a detangling solution, apply it before you start brushing. Apply it straight to the matting that has piqued your interest and leave it on for a few minutes before removing it with a dematting tool or collie comb. A slicker brush will also come in handy. This is a metal brush head that is rectangular or squarish in shape and has little metal pins. pins. It is fantastic for the back and sides of the head. They usually come with a short handle. When you go shopping for one, look out for the one with the coated ball tip. It makes the brush softer and far better. Pin brushes perform well on fine, feathery hair and are best suited for medium to long hair. These brushes come in different shapes and colors. Dematting and brushing, like trimming and styling, is a technique that can only be honed by experience. The more you practice with your tools and the more time you devote to practicing will help you become better. It's more like a practice makes perfect kind of situation, so don't relent. Matting is more than a simple tangle of hair. Infections and blisters can form in the damp patches that frequently appear in humid spaces beneath mats. It is advisable to give your Cocker Spaniel a brush before bathing him, as wet matting will only become more rigid and tighter as it dries. Your Cocker may become less than cooperative after excellent long grooming. If your Spaniel has many mats, be pleased to straighten out as many as he lets you. If he gets restless, give him a break. Cockers rarely have the patience to sit still for long periods unless they're being mollycoddled and indulged. Brush your pet as much as they're willing to allow you. Ensure that you go softly, carefully, and thoroughly. Brush against the grain and down to the skin using a softer touch near the flesh. Brushing can be done anywhere and at any time. You can either hoist your dog onto a table or keep him captive on your lap, depending on your preference. Catch him when he's tired, such as after a long walk, or at night when he's tired and easier to control. It's not essential to bathe your Cocker Spaniel every day, but you also shouldn't bathe her at all. Unless she's filth and you can't help yourself, your pet only needs to see the bathtub every 2 to 4 months. You will need a shampoo, conditioner, a towel, a blow dryer, and some cotton balls as bathing tools for your Cocker Spaniel. Remember that this dog breed sheds a lot, so give it a good brush beforehand to avoid loose hairs floating around in the tub. Cocker hair grows quite fast. Feel free to play around with different styles or however you want your Spaniel to look. A regular haircut is necessary regardless of the appearance you choose for your dog. Pet trimming is a simple task that can be completed with satisfactory results. There's no knowing how skilled you could get by trimming your Spaniel at home regularly. You can style your pet's hair with the same tools you use for brushing. Do this patiently, bearing in mind that even for professional groomers, it can pose a challenge. Also, some clippers are not the best, so they shouldn't be used to groom your Cocker Spaniel. In the same vein, there are several cut options available for this dog breed. At least once every week, try to inspect and clean behind his ear flops, although cleaning them more frequently will not be excessive. Germs and other undesirables can quickly settle there, so it's critical to keep your Spaniel's ears clean to avoid infection. Some natural cleaners have proven to do a fantastic job as an ear cleanser for a Cocker Spaniel. Witch hazel product is made from the bark and leaves of a witch hazel plant. It has anti-inflammatory properties that helps minor skin fissures heal faster. Both olive oil and cod liver oil are nutritional supplements that can also remove dirt or earwax. Ear mites can be kept at bay with just a little dripped on the outer ear. Tea tree oil is an effective disinfectant. It also relieves the painful itch and swelling that commonly accompanies an uncomfortable inner ear infection. For decades, folk medicine has praised apple cider vinegar. It fights bacteria and promotes natural healing. If you're doing a thorough cleaning, make sure to dilute it with an equivalent amount of sterile water. Cleaning under your Cocker's eyes can prevent the spread of infection and also the tears they frequently shed from hardening and setting on that gorgeous furry face. For this, you will need 2 clean washcloths. While grooming the nails, take care not to sever the Cocker's quick, which is the most delicate area of the nail. Fine blood veins and nerve endings meet in the toenail. In white nails, the quick ends are easier to see than in black talons. When in doubt of where the quick starts, trim the tiniest tiniest piece of nail down to a comfortable length. If you allow the nails to grow out, the quick tends to protrude even more. Fortunately, it will shrink back into the nails if they are consistently cut short. It is preferable to avoid problems by giving your Spaniel a regular pedicure. You will need a nail clipper, a nail file, and a styptic pen or powder for the nail trimming. The oral hygiene of your Cocker is also essential. Get toothpaste and toothbrush to clean the dog's teeth 3 times a week. Every dog owner should seek advice from their veterinarian on the recommended products to get for their dog before use. That's it for our video on grooming a Cocker Spaniel. If you enjoyed watching this video, click on the like button. Remember to subscribe to our channel and turn on post notifications. Also, check out our playlist and click on the video links that pop up at the end of this video. Thank you for watching.